today, Sade?
It's been okay. I mean, it's been really busy. Many coats have gone, so that's really, really positive, especially as we're in the winter season. So that's really good.
Newham Transitional Practice have put on the big health day today for those patients who live in and around Newham who happen to be homeless or vulnerably housed or experiencing a difficult time. So today we're giving out lots of free food, hot and cold, clothes, shoes, jackets for women, children and men. We've got social prescribing here to help fill out forms and signposts. We've got our GP and our nurse team here to register any patients that have turned up today that don't have a GP. We're also giving out flu vaccines. We've got Newham Council here today helping us do lateral flow testing.
Transitional practice was so much more than a health provider. You know, we see our roots in helping the community and be that through food, be that through clothing, be that through some of the children's toys and things that have been here today, or be that through just lending a listening ear. That's exactly what the practice is all about, and today is just, I think, a recognition in all of the work that the practice does in serving those who most need it.
So this is to encourage everybody to remember the positive parts about themselves. So homeless people are not just homeless, they've usually been a doctor, a teacher, a nurse, a dad, an uncle, a brother, a mum. So I want people to remember the positive things about themselves or about today and then write it on here so that we can remember all the good things about all the people that attended.
Today we have the opportunity of not just working together to give them the best healthcare, but to look at how their pets are cared for. Can we give them clothing, food, getting together to give them advice on housing, supporting them to get back into work, giving them respect. That's what people deserve. And today as a community we have got together. We have some amazing volunteers from the local sixth form college who've come and volunteered the whole day. Not only have we come together as a community, we have grown the next generation of community to continue to make this wonderful difference to our local residents.